Welcome, it's DC. In today's video, I'm gonna be taking you through the installation of this new TRIX, DC TRIX EMA scalping strategy for booming crash, and I will show you guys how you can use this strategy. So if you're new to my channel, please kindly subscribe, like, and comment on this video. So if you comment, you stand a chance to win prizes. You can win this indicator, or you can be part of our VIP community. So without wasting much of your time, guys, let's quickly look at the installation. So for the installation, we're gonna start with the background. So you will receive this folder. There will be a folder in your downloads, and the folder will consist of the following. It will have, so these are the indicators that you these are the indicators that you will receive. You will receive the DC boom scalping arrow, the DC scalping crash scalping arrow, and also the DC EMA histogram, and also a template, which is the blue background. So those are the four things that you're gonna receive when you purchase this indicator. So let's go through how you can install this indicator. So for the installation, we're gonna start with the blue background. So you're gonna come on your chart, you open your chart, then when you come to your chart, you're gonna click you left click and then go on templates. On templates, what you're gonna do is this: you go on load templates. When you go on load templates, you should go back to the location where that folder is. So in my case, it is on the desktop, and you open it and you'll be able to get this blue background. So I'm gonna click the blue background, and then you can see my background has changed. So that's the first thing. Then for the installation of the indicators, we are done with the template. For the installation of the indicators, you need to simply double click. So this is the fastest way and the easiest way to quickly install indicators in MT5. Double click and automatically click. I don't know why it's taking long. You see here it will be indicated, and we have it here. So let's install the other remaining indicators. So I'll come, I've double click, and wait for the automatically installation of these indicators. So this one, okay, it's there automatically, it's now there. Then so I already have a copy, so that's why it is asking me to overwrite. And so the next one is the DC EMA histogram. It's taking long. Yes, it's downloading. Okay, yes. So I've now installed all the indicators that I need for the installation of this one. So this is boom 1000. Okay, we are done with the installation. So let's look at how we can install it on the chart. So we're gonna start with our DC EMA histogram, this one. So you simply drag it, drop it on the chart, then you click OK. So we now have this indicator. Then the next one, since we are in boom 1000, we are going to use the DC boom scalping arrow. So you drag it, you drop it on the chart, then you are done. We can see we now have an arrow. So let's look at how we can install in crash 1000. So we have a blank chart. Then we are simply going to start with the installation of loading the template. You then go left click, then templates, then you go on load templates. Then when you'll be taken to, you need to go to that folders which you receive, and then locate it. Then you open it, you see there will be a template here, then you click it and you open it. So probably it will be in your downloads, but with me it's on my desktop. Then once I'm done, I've already installed the indicator. So I'm gonna come here. So on each and every chart, you need to install the DC EMA histogram. So this one, then you click OK, then you have your histogram, and then you are ready to go. So we now have our histogram. So the next step is installing the crash scalping arrow. This crash scalping arrow, drag it and drop it on the chart, then you click OK. Then we should have the scalping arrow. As you can see, the arrow is now there. So how then do we use the indicator? So you need to start from your 15 minutes. You need to start from your 15 minutes, and you want from your 15 minutes. So this is crash. We need to buy. We want price. We check first of all the EMA histogram. On your EMA histogram, you want price. So during this period, let's just mark this period. Let me change the color here. change and use white so that we can see it. So what you want is that we want price here. Since we are buying the histogram on the 15 minutes time frame, it has to be green, like what is happening during this period. The histogram is green during this period. So let me use white here so that you can see the arrow. So the histogram on the indicators window should be green, indicating that we are the trend is bullish. So this one is indicating the trend. The trend is bullish. So this is the period that we want to buy. So after doing that, you then drop down to your 1 minute time frame. So when you drop down to your 1 minute time frame, we need to locate that area where we had that line. So this is the area. And now on your 1 minute time frame, again, the trend must also be bullish. This is indicated by this histogram, which is green. So as long as this histogram is green, we are good. Then you need to wait for an arrow. Like for example, here we have an arrow here, and you take your 5 to 7 candles, 5 to 7 candles, and you will be fine. So in our previous explanation, we said one. Let's look at this example. The stop loss is always below at least 3 to 5 candles below the previous spike. So this was our previous spike. Our stop loss should be here. So we count, this is the previous spike. We just count 1 2 3 here. So our stop loss is here. Our entry is gonna be here where we have an arrow. So when the arrow appears on the chart, we're going to take our 5 to 7 candles, and the histogram here on the indicators window must be green. So we're going to take our 5 candles and then we close, and here we had another signal again, 5 candles. Okay, so your stop loss now is below this level, and then your entry is here, and then you take your 5 candles, and then you're done. Another example, again, we have a signal here at this particular level. We have 5 candles, 5 to 7 candles, and you are done. Here again, we have our 5 to 7 candles, and we are done. Here we have our 5 to 7 candles, and we are done. We have multiple examples where these indicators is very useful. You can see all these examples. The indicator, this one, it was the no trade. Why are we saying there was no trade? Because if you check the trend, the histogram here is red, so we are not going to take a trade, although the price moved up. But in this particular instance, we are not going to take a trade. Why? Because the histogram was red. Okay, so let's look at how we can use it in boom. In boom, we first of all go to the 15-minute time frame. We are on our 15 minutes time frame, 15 minutes time frame here, and then we want it to be red. So we can't use it when it's green like this because it's indicating a bullish trend. So we want to use it during this period when the price is bearish, which is being indicated by this red histogram here that we have. So we need to go to our 1 minute time frame, and then we locate that area. Okay, let's see where this area is, and we can start. But unfortunately, let's see where we have that arrow. It must be a period that is recent. Okay, let's start with this one. I think let's just look at this area, 21 20, it's fine. Then we go to the 1 minute time frame. Then let's identify where we've placed it. This is the area. This is the area. So this is now where we are. So here we don't take a trade. Why? The trend in the 1 minute time frame is telling us that it's green, meaning that it's bullish. It is moving up. Here again, it's still green on the EMA histogram. So we're not going to take a trade here. We want a combination of the red on the histogram indicating a bearish trend, and also, like for example here, so like what I said, the stop loss is above here. Even if there was a spike, eventually the price moved downwards. So this is the perfect combination that we want. We want the EMA here, this EMA histogram to be red, and we want a signal, which is the arrow that is there on the chart, to also appear, and we can see the price. We're going to get our 5 to 7 candles, and here it was also a winning trade. Why? Because our stop loss is above here. Even if there was this small spike, the price then eventually moved downwards. Let's look at this example. So here we're going to get our 5 candles signals here, and we can see we have our 7, 5 to 7. We actually had 8 candles before the 7 candles, and then there was a spike. Then here, let's look at an example. 7 candles. That's why I said 5 to 7 candles, and then that will be fine. Let's look for another example. Here again, we have an example. You can see our histogram is red and we have a signal, and now we'll get our 5 to 7 candles. So we want that combination of the red on the histogram, and so if we don't have that one, we don't take a trend. We don't take a trade. Okay, here we had a good signal. We can see on our histogram is red, and on the main chart we have an arrow, a signal, and then we take our 5 to 7 candles. So the advantage of using this indicator is that it gives you an audible alert. You can set it on your email. You can set it for phone push notifications, so that you can receive. Maybe you are far away from your phone, you are far away from your PC, but you can have what we call push notifications, which will be, if you want to know more about the push notifications, I have a video in my on the list of my videos. You can go and look at how you can set your push notification so that you can receive notification from your phone. Then here we have a very good example where on the histogram is red, and here we have a signal here, and then we're going to take our 5 to 7 candles, and we exit here. This is a perfect example. And also this particular area, we can see here it's red, indicating a bearish trend, and now we receive a signal from the main chart, and then we're gonna take our 5 to 7 candles, and then we exit. Here again we had a good example, 5 to 7 candles, and then we exit. And here again we see our 5 to 7 candles, then we exit. Then here again we had our 5, we're going to get our 5 to 7 candles, and then we exit. So these are the examples. So in boom and crash 1000, you should take only 5 from 5 to 7 candles, and then you exit. And then in boom and crash 500, you should only take 3 to 5 candles, and then you exit. So thank you guys for your time. I hope this video was very helpful, and the information that I shared will definitely improve your trading knowledge. So if you're interested in getting this indicator, please use the details that are there in the description, so that you can get in touch with me and you can get this indicator. So currently we're having a Black Friday special, where if you are interested in purchasing this indicator, the original price is $30. So if you want to have it now, from now until the 20th of November, this indicator will be on special. We are having a promotion, so you can get it for $19, and you can get these scalping indicators, this powerful scalping indicator that we have for boom and crash. So guys, thank you for your time. Please make sure you subscribe, you like, and you comment on this video. If you comment and like on this video, you stand a chance to be selected to win even this even this scalping indicator. So some of the services that we offer on this channel is that we have a mentorship program. If you are new to trading and you want to learn how to trade, or maybe you've been trading but you have not been successful, we have a mentorship program that we have on this channel. So you can also use the details that are there in the description to get in touch with me, so that you can enroll in our mentorship program. Then we also have a DC spike detector. We also have a spike detector for catching spikes and boom and crash, so that one is also available. Then we also have our VIP services, where we'll be sending at least 10 signals daily for derived synthetic indices, for example boom and crash, volatility indices, and the other indicators that indices that we have. So this is our VIP group, and let me show you some of the signals that we send in this group. So we can see I also use the spike. This is our DC spike detector. I also use it in this I also use it in our VIP group. You can see this is how the DC spike detector works, and I'll be giving signals in using that. So we have a lot of and I also share you see this strategy that you are now receiving now. I shared it with the VIP group, I think on the 11th of November. I think almost 2 weeks ago. That's when I shared this strategy. So you also get access to recent recent strategies, the recent what. So these are some of the signals that will be given in our VIP community. So these are some of the signals and the analysis that I give in my VIP community. So please join our VIP community. We have a subscription for 1 week, which is $15 US, and also for 2 weeks it's $28 US. Then for 1 month it's $50 US. But currently we have a Black Friday promotion, so it will end on the 28th of November. If you want to enroll for our monthly subscription, that's the one on promotion. It is currently going for $39 US. So thank you guys for your time. Until next time, bye bye for now.